या तो बाहर रहे या तो अंदर, बाहर जाओ, बाहर जाओ. Hey guys, welcome back to my module number 3. In this module, I'll be explaining you how you can create your website. Okay, so in this, before this modules, I have taken 2 modules. My first module was related to if you are a beginner, then how you can create your first website, how you can create your offline website for your practice. My second module was regarding how you can buy your domain and hosting, how you can get your domain and hosting for very reasonable rate on hostinger.com. Okay, so now my third module is regarding how to create your website. In this module, I'll be explaining you everything since the beginning to creating a good website for yourself. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so in our module, this is our first chapter. This is our first lesson. Okay, so in first lesson, I'll be explaining you a very basic part which is a must: understanding WP admin, your WordPress dashboard. Secondly, understanding your themes. What are themes? What is plugins? And some basic settings also. So in this lesson, I'll be explaining you these 4 things. Okay, so let's begin. WP admin. Now what is WP admin? This is your WordPress admin dashboard. Okay, so let's move to my WordPress dashboard to explain you more about WP admin. Okay guys, so here's my dashboard, my WordPress dashboard, and here I'll be explaining you about the WP admin dashboard. Okay, so in this dashboard you can see variety of things available for you. Here's your login ID. It's how's your day, Komal we sing. Here's my profile. I can edit my profile. Here's the button to log out from my profile. Okay, I can edit password, I can edit my username, etc. from this board. Okay, now here you can see this is the dashboard. This is everything about WordPress you will get here. This is my dashboard. Clicking on this, I can visit my site, and again clicking on this, I can come back to my dashboard. Okay, now from here I can add new post, new media, new page, new user, new forms. Okay, this is WP form. I'll be explaining about what is WP form. Okay, so now this is your dashboard. You can customize your site via here. You can write your blogs. You can add a home page. You can set up your home page. You can view your site and many more. Okay, any WordPress upcoming event would be shown here. You can attend that event and learn more about WordPress too. Okay, now this is your home session. Here you will receive updates regarding your plugin or your themes. By clicking here, you will get post session. Post session will allow you to add new posts. You can manage your post. You can add categories to them. You can also give them tags, like if you are creating posts regarding recipes, and if you have subtopics like cheese and bread, so you can give tags to them. You can categorize them to 2 different categories, such that anyone coming to your website, and then when they are clicking to search option and they are writing something like cheese, so your recipes whichever includes cheese, that all recipes will be shown. So that's what the advantage of categories and tags. Okay, now this is our media session. Whatever you post, whichever image, video, PDF, Excel, etc. will be shown here. Okay, this is your page session. The menus, in menu session we see many of the pages about us, services, contact us. So we can create that pages using this session. You can view all your pages and you can also create. This is my comment section. Anyone commenting on my website will be available here. I can visible it here. This is my WP forms. WP form is plugin basically which helps us to create contact us pages, which helps us to get many forms. I can say not only contact us pages, but it also helps us to add many forms, many contact details to our pages. Like if you want to create a contact us form, if we want to create a quiz, or we have to create something similar. So we can create using WP Forms. Okay. Now moving on to the appearance session. You can add themes, customize your themes. The more customization regarding to themes would be explained later on. In this session, in this lesson, I'll be explaining you just the basic parts. So these are your plugin, user. Here are all your user. If someone coming to your website and they are registering on your website, so some like you are the administrator of your dashboard. I'll show you. See, I'm the administrator. My role is of administrator, but you can add many more users. Like, see, if I go on user, I can create them, I can role them, assign them role like subscriber, contributor, author, editor, administrator. Administrator would be one who have full authority to edit anything on your website. Editor would be someone who can only edit post and media on your page. Author would be someone who author can be variety of person who will be posting the things. Like I have my blog and many people are subscribing as author. Like they'll be uploading their recipes too on my website. Contributor, subscriber is someone who is registering on your website. Okay, so you can view all your users. You can add one. You can create your profile too. Here are the tools. From this tool, you can import or export anything which you want. All in one WP migration. This is very important. Okay, all in one. You can either activate this or deactivate this. But if you are planning to move your website from one hosting to other hosting, or from one domain to other domain, to one server to other, this is something wherein you will import your website data, and later on you can export this data to your different WordPress dashboard. This will keep totally backup of your data. Okay, so WP migration is used here. Settings, you can view many more. I'll explain you in depth about settings in further lesson. Then here are the caches. You can clear caches from your website, etc. This will simply close this menu session. Okay, so this is what I explained you about WP admin dashboard in this lesson. Okay, to study more about website development and to create your own website, to have a depth study about website development, do watch other lessons, other modules too. If you still have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.